Hi everyone, welcome to the Quarry Kid channel. Just a short video today. I wanted to show the latest iron golem farm design. This farm is made to harvest iron from iron golems, and what's unique about it is that it is very simple to build and does not require a trip to the nether to get anything to make a daylight sensor. It's activated. The zombie is in a boat, lifted up with a piston, which is activated by a pair of chickens in this little chicken coop here. So he is lifted up. He scares the villagers, and they generate the iron golem, who falls into this trap, where he is fried by the campfire. I made a full-length video of how to build this. It's on the channel, and there will be a link to it in the video description. So please check it out, and thanks for watching.